What's happening? What's up? Today we're going to be using our white heat transfer vinyl to make this cool video. Let's get into this video. I'm using Silhouette Studio to create my design. I'm using a basic font, then I'll convert to an offset path. This design will be going on an extra large shirt. I'm going to keep this design under 11 inches wide as it's going on an extra large shirt and I don't want it to look too big. Attaching the lines from the converted shape turns it into an offset path. Remember, always perform a test cut. The last thing I want to do is waste some vinyl. I'm praying I don't cut my design. What I like most about Kustomizeme Vinyl is how easy it is to weave and how you don't have to fight the vinyl to remove it from the cover sheet. Time to heat the press. Not only is our vinyl easy to work with, but it's easy to cut as well. I'm pressing on an extra large navy blue Gildan t-shirt. I like to eyeball my designs when placing them on the shirt. I use the collar and the fold lines under the armpits as a reference point. This way, the design doesn't look awkward when pressing a women's t-shirt. It must really be a good day for me. The cover sheet just popped right up. Now I don't have to fight the cover sheet when peeling away from the shirt. Unlike recreational vinyl, our vinyl embeds itself into the shirt while maintaining the soft feel of your shirt and giving you that professional look that you're going for. For more information about Kustomizeme Vinyl products, check out the links below in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram.